If you follow MotoGP, you know what that is right there. That is the crash between Marc Marquez and Miguel Oliveira. Really, the crash where Marc Marquez blindsided him. From this, Marquez broke, I think, his thumb or something in his hand and had to miss, well, he's missed a couple rounds now. Oliveira missed a round and then coming back, rested another round because he got hit again, and it's been a bad year for him, but that's not the point of this. Because of this, Marc Marquez got a double long lap penalty for the next round. Technically, it was supposed to be served, obviously, the next round when he would have been racing, but because he was injured, he skipped it because, well, he got surgery and didn't have to race that round. So went to a court of appeals, and it was supposed to be served at the next available round when he raced. So obviously, 2 or 3 rounds, whatever it was, he was going to serve it. The first race he was racing in, it was going to be served then. Kind of pushed, forward. As of today, as I'm recording this right now, this is from MotoGP.com, so right here, quote, the court considered the double long lap penalty imposed on Marc Marquez by the FIM MotoGP steward panel during the MotoGP race of Portugal held on 26 March 2023 has been served by the non-participation of the rider in the 2023 MotoGP race of Argentina. So because he missed the next race, apparently they're just saying he served it because he lost points or whatever. I want to know from you. Obviously, this was a massive crash and kind of a stupid crash too. But do you think, in the comments below, I want to hear your opinion. 1, do you think you should have gotten a penalty? 2, should it be, how do I word this? Do you think the penalty should be able to be enforced on a race in the future? Because obviously it got pushed forward. And I guess 3, do you think because he missed a race, because of his own fault, he technically injured himself? Do you think he served it because he missed a round? Yes, he missed a round, so yes, he misses points, but also he caused another rider to miss rounds too, so who knows? In the comments below, I want to hear your opinion about it, because, racing is my kind of thing. So go down there, comment what you think, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.